The strength which has enabled Vankos to survive and grow is that Vankos is a multi-product, multi-customer company. From simple hydraulic jacks of capacities up to 1,000 tons to sophisticated electronically controlled equipments like, for instance, electronic coal ploughing rig for Central Mining Research Institute, Dhanbad, or precision hydraulic presses for prototype Danish tool rooms for Jharkhand government, or hydraulic flushing units for naval dockyards for ocean-going vessels. Over the years, Vankos has designed, developed and manufactured practically any oil hydraulic equipment under the sun for a wide spectrum of customers all over the country. This is the reason why cyclic recessions, financial meltdowns, or cheap imports from countries like China have not adversely affected us, as for example, lock manufacturers of Aligarh or ancillaries dependent on a single customer like state electricity boards or automobile manufacturers. Strangely at times, but fortunately, reputation spreads faster than rumor. In the middle 1980s, we were approached by RDSO, Ministry of Railways, to develop a simple hydraulic tool for swift and accurate alignment of railway tracks. This was being done then manually and it was cumbersome. After hundreds of hours on the design board, numerous field trials and many interactions with RDSO, we ultimately managed to develop a hydraulic lifting and slewing device of 10-ton capacity, easily transportable on a bicycle, now popularly known as trolleys. That this has proved useful is perhaps to simply state the truth. Hundreds of trolleys are now in use all over the country with the Indian Railways. Years later, from our field experience, we developed a more powerful trellis for tough alignment of tracks at crossing points and turnouts. Trellis is not the only hydraulic tool we have developed for RDSO. The costly hydraulic rail tensioner for thermal welding of tracks while stressed, hydraulic rail bender for straightening of tracks, hydraulic slipper spacers, and simple hydraulic track lifting jacks. All these are approved by Railway Board, Ministry of Railways, Government of India. Immodestly speaking, we broke the path and others have followed in our trail. This is also true of hydraulic aircraft lifting jacks. We were the first, others followed, more often than not faltering and falling. At times where angels fear to tread. Track maintenance tools are not the only products we manufacture for railways. There are many more. Gang-operated jacking system for synchronous lifting of carriages and wagons. Hydraulic trolley-mounted bearing puller and installer, bogie testing machines, to mention just a few. If I have dwelt on our association with Indian Railways a little longer, it is not only because they are our principal customer, but they were also our first patron, is that Vankos is a multi-product, multi-customer company. From simple hydraulic jacks of capacity rig for Central Mining Research Institute, Dhanbad, or precision hydraulic presses for prototype Danish tool rooms for. Over the years, Vankos has designed, developed and manufactured practically any oil hydraulic equipment under the sun, or cheap imports from countries like China have not